Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. It's this time of month. We are getting ready for next month memory verse bundle. It is June, obviously, and hopefully you can see that the theme is I am, and that is the I am statements. I thought that's such well-known verses. It will be lovely to meditate on it, remember it, and it's another weapon. We can fight the enemy and to know what Jesus is and what he can be for us. As you can see, that's number one. So next month we're going to do the other statements. There's actually 7 statements. So next month I just add another statement which I thought is also useful, which Jesus said I am. So this month we are going to look at Jesus being the bread of life, Jesus being the light of the world, Jesus being the good shepherd, and the way, the truth, and the life. So I've got that. I've got these little light bulbs to just remember us that Jesus is the light of the world. These labels which you can document what you learned from the verse. Then I've got some journaling cards this month. So you can put it on top of each other. You can make a little concertina, little booklet. You can use it for your faith text cards, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see the fainted pictures is in the back of the lines. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 because there is 4 verses obviously this month, and I've got some word fetty there also. Then I've got some fun ephemera. I love this cute little pink sheep. I just made it pink because I thought it looked so cute. There's a sheep there, there's some light there, little old-fashioned lamp, signs to indicate that Jesus is the way and the truth, and bread baskets to show that he is the bread of life. And then obviously we have our meditation sheet with just a few little elements just to give us enough space to be able to write down what we need to write. Really looking forward to dig deeper into the I am statements. And of course we have beautiful flowers. Love the colors, love how that turned out. So yeah, we can never go wrong with flowers. So this is what I have for this month. So I am done with my memory verse book. I was hoping to get 6 months in here so I can continue another 6 months in my next book. But unfortunately, in the beginning, I got a bit confused. A few pages I skipped and I had to stuck it together. So I think if I'm very conservative with the next book, I might be able to get 6 months in my next book. As you can see, it's got lots of wear and tear, some watermarks and dirt because this is a used book. I will give a flip through later, a video, so as you can see it's full. But the only thing, yeah, there's a few pages there left, but unfortunately not enough to start a new month. Obviously Wednesday we're going to do our meditation sheet. So this book is full. So I have made just reel also for how I set up my book. So I'm going to quickly show you the end result. Just keep it very simple. I've put these black and paper again just for, I think, uniformity for my photos and my videos. So when people see that on the screen, they know this is the memory verses, the memory meditate and make. And I put these little flowers on there. And then I've just set up the first page for this month because I'm starting here. I'm not going to make a sort of a pretty page, which I used to do next to it. So I'm just put my 4 verses there. So this is my weekly writing down a review page and my meditation sheet, and I've just set it up for the whole month. I find it is the best to set it up for the whole month, be ready. And then I'm going to cut my 4 cards out and I'm going to put it there at the back. I've cut my 4 verses up, and usually what I do is I put it in the back of the box, and it's ready for this coming month because we are obviously still memorizing this week's memory verse. So thanks for watching, and obviously I will leave all the details down below if you want to pick it up. Yet, as I said again, don't feel like, oh, I haven't started in the beginning of the year so I can't participate. You can always participate. The system works. You just slot into the box. You just start with your daily verse, of your even verse, and that's what you memorize. You can join this memory verse challenge or whatever you want to call it anytime. It doesn't matter. And yeah, I try to make the memory verse bundles as cheap as possible, so you don't even think about buying it each month. It'll just be part of what you buy. It's probably less than a coffee in America. It's more or less a coffee in South Africa. So yeah, and obviously if you haven't picked up my free memory verse bundle, which you can make yourself this box, and the practice sheet is part of that, and obviously these dividers and everything. So please do that. I will link that also down below. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.